Spice Lemongrass Tisane tea has been gaining popularity due to its refreshing flavor and incredible health benefits. But what exactly is this tea for? Let's dive into the amazing benefits it offers and how it can become a powerful addition to your daily routine. Whether you're looking for a natural way to improve your digestion, boost your immunity, or relax after a busy day, lemongrass tea is here to help. Lemongrass tea, especially when combined with spices like ginger and cinnamon, can support many aspects of your health. It's an herbal tea that not only tastes amazing but can also bring significant benefits to your body. In this video, we will uncover 7 incredible reasons why you should consider adding this tea to your diet, from its digestive properties to its ability to support skin health and relaxation. Spice Lemongrass Tisane tea can be a game changer. Many people struggle with bloating, digestion issues, and even stress. These common problems can affect your overall well-being and quality of life. That's where lemongrass tea comes in. With its natural ability to support digestion and relieve bloating, this tea can help address some of these issues. If you're someone who often feels stressed or has trouble sleeping, lemongrass tea could also offer a solution. Its calming effects help to reduce stress and promote a more restful sleep, leaving you feeling refreshed. So, what exactly are the benefits of this aromatic tea? First, lemongrass is packed with antioxidants, which support overall health by fighting free radicals. It also has detoxifying properties, helping to flush out toxins and support kidney and liver function. Adding spices like ginger, cinnamon, and cardamom enhances the tea's benefits, making it a powerhouse of wellness. Together, they improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and even help regulate blood sugar. The combination of these ingredients makes spiced lemongrass tisane tea an excellent choice for those looking to improve their health naturally. The key moment is when you realize just how beneficial this tea can be for your daily routine. By incorporating it into your morning or evening routine, you can experience its full range of health benefits. Whether it's easing digestive discomfort or helping you unwind after a long day, spiced lemongrass tisane tea truly is a wellness drink you don't want to miss. To sum up, spiced lemongrass tisane tea is more than just a tasty beverage. It's a powerful, natural remedy with a variety of benefits, from aiding digestion to reducing stress. With regular use, this tea can support your overall health and well-being in multiple ways. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the benefits of herbal teas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you drink lemongrass tea already? Let us know what benefits you've experienced.